Hello friends, I am doing mini project on energy regeneration system using Dynamo. So for that I have bought this Dynamo kit for my bicycle. So for my project I'll be using this 12 volt headlamp, 12 volt brake light, some cable ties, a multimeter, digital multimeter, wire stripper, wires and the hose wire. Also the equipments like plier and spanner for tightening of nut and bolts to the clips, and a 12 volt 6 watt bottle dynamo. Here I have fixed it to my cycle chassis with the clips which are of nickel plated to iron, and I have tightened nut and bolt and fixed them to my cycle chassis. So this dynamo can be engaged and disengaged whenever we want. So right now it is in disengaged position, so there is a gap between tire and the dynamo head. So when I will press this, it gets engaged, so that when the tire is in motion, this head gets in the rotational motion with it. For this I have used normal nut and bolts that I get with the packet, but we can use the lock nut so that whatever clips we are tightening will be the fixed and they will not fall off while we travel. So now firstly we'll see the movement of dynamo and we'll check how much voltage dynamo is producing. So we can see the movement of dynamo along with the wheel. Now as dynamo produces AC, I have set my multimeter to AC voltage. Now we'll check how much it is producing. So now we'll see if our LED is lighting or not. Yes, so it is perfect. So firstly we'll check our brake light if it is working or not. So I am using 12 volt lead acid battery which is already at home to check it. So it is working. Now we'll check our headlamp if it is working with our dynamo or not. So yes, the bulb is glowing. So now using the cable ties, I have fixed my headlamp over here. It is now fixed. So now I have connected the brake light also. So now the connections are remaining. Let's go. So now we have done with our whole system, whole circuit. So this is headlamp. We have done wiring connection through the hose wire. We have done soldering. We have tied our hose wire with cable ties. And here we have done the connections, and we have closed the connections with the gun, glue gun. So this is how our circuit is ready. Also the brake light is done. Now we'll see how it works.